Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be solving this Olympiad exponential equation. Now I'm going to start by saying let bracket k all over root 2 raised to the power of 1 all over root 2 be equal to p. Now this expression here now, I say let it be what? Equal to p. My next step now will be to raise both sides of this equation now to the power of root 2 to remove this 1 over root 2 power here. So right, so here will be k all over root 2 raised to the power of 1 all over root 2 then raised to power root 2 equal to p raised to the power of root 2. Now 1 over 2 multiplied by root 2, now we have just k all over root 2 equal to p raised to the power of root 2. Now we'll go back to the question again. Now in the question we have k all over root 2, and k of all over root 2 here is p raised to the power of root 2. So right, I'll replace this k over root 2 with p raised to the power of root 2 equal to the square root. Now I'm going to write this 2 first. Now as this power here, k all over root 2 raised to the power of 1 all over root 2, we say it is equal to p. So here will become 2 raised to the power of what? P. Then we'll continue again. We'll say p raised to the power of the square root of 2 is now equal to, open bracket, 2 raised to the power of p all raised to the power of 1 all over 2. Now we'll write again, p raised to the power of the square root of 2 is equal to, now p multiplied by 1 over 2 will give me p over 2. So here will become 2 raised to the power of p all over 2. My next step now will be to raise both sides of this equation to the power of 2. So we say p raised to the power of the square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 equal to, open bracket again, 2 raised to the power of p all over 2 raised to the power of 2. Then we continue. Then now I'm going to interchange power here. Now this 2 will come inside while the root 2 will go outside. So we'll now have p square raised to the power of root 2. I took the 2 inside and I took the root 2 outside. So then also equal to, now p over 2 multiplied by 2 will get only p. So here will become 2 raised to the power of p. So then we'll continue again now. My next step now will be to compare base and also compare power. So let me start by comparing the base. The base here is p raised to the power of 2. So right, base, comparing base. Base here is what? P raised to the power of 2. While the base here is what? 2. So we say p raised to the power of 2 is equal to 2. Then the power here is what? Root 2. So write power. Power is what? Root 2. While the power here is what? P. Then from here, if I take the square of both sides now, if I take the square of both sides, take the square of this side, take the square of this side, then 2 will divide the square root sign. So we have 2 equal to p square. So therefore, p square equal to 2. So p square is equal to 2 in any way if I compare base or if I compare power. So my next step now will be to recall. Recall this now. So we say k all over root 2 raised to the power of 1 all over root 2 is equal to P. Then my next step now will be to square both sides so that I can get P square this place and substitute my 2. So I'm going to square both sides here now. So I'll write bracket K all over root 2 raised to the power of 1 all over root 2, then close my bracket, square, then equal to, I'm also going to square this side, yes, square also. Then we'll continue again. 2 we multiply 1 over root 2, so we now have K all over root 2. Then here will be 2 all over root 2. When 2 multiply 1 over root 2, we get 2 over root 2 equal to P square. And we know that P square is 2, so I'm going to put my 2 here. Then we'll continue again. K all over root 2 raised to the power of 2 over root 2. If I multiplied it by its conjugate and divide, I'm going to get root 2. So 2 all over root 2, you see the same thing as root 2, all equal to 2. My next step now will be to raise both sides of this equation to the power of 1 over root 2 to remove this root 2 power here now. So I'm going to do that now. So say open bracket again, we have K all over root 2 raised to the power of root 2, then close the bracket, then all raised to the power of 1 over root 2 equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 over root 2. Then now we'll continue. Root 2 times 1 over root 2 will give me 1. So we are now left with just K all over root 2 equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 all over root 2. Then from here now, I'm going to cross multiply to get my value for K. So we say K will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 all over root 2 times root 2. So this is my final solution for the value of K in this wonderful equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos, and also invite your friends and loved ones to watch my video and also subscribe.